Zoom past, the fast-track English expression. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language exploration journey. Today, we'll be speeding through the ins and outs of a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, zoom past. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add some flavor to your English expressions, you're in the right place. So, buckle up, and let's get ready to zoom past the basics. The phrase, zoom past, is quite vivid, and you might already imagine something moving quickly. To zoom means to move or travel very quickly. It's often used to describe cars, people, or even time. When combined with past, it paints a picture of something or someone moving swiftly by a stationary object or another person. For example, the cars zoomed past the spectators at the race. The child zoomed past on her scooter. Notice how it suggests speed and perhaps a bit of a blur as the object moves by. Zoom past isn't just for physical movement. It can also be metaphorical. Physical movement. Vehicles. The motorcycles zoomed past the slow-moving traffic. People. She zoomed past me in the hallway with a flurry of papers in her hand. Time and events. Time. The weekend zoomed past, and it was Monday before we knew it. Events. The soccer player zoomed past milestones in his career. In each case, zoom past indicates moving quickly beyond something or someone. Let's put zoom past into some full sentence examples. The new train can zoom past the old ones because it's much faster. Don't just zoom past the instructions. You might miss something important. As the deadline zoomed past, we realized we had to ask for an extension. And remember, like many English phrases, zoom past can be adjusted to fit different tenses and contexts. Zooming past the competition, the athlete secured her victory. The days are zooming past. I can hardly keep up. He zoomed past all the doubts and became a successful entrepreneur. Sometimes, zoom past takes on a more idiomatic meaning. It can imply not giving due attention or carelessly bypassing details. For instance, in his eagerness to finish the project, he zoomed past many important checks. It suggests a level of neglect due to the speed at which the person moved through the task. And there you have it, a quick dive into the phrase, zoom past. From races to the passing of time, this phrase can be used in a multitude of ways to express speed and quick progression. We hope this explanation helps you add another expression to your English toolkit and that you don't zoom past the opportunity to use it in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep zooming.